Jesse, let us begin with queues.
Sure, Harry.
What is a queue in data structures?
A queue is a linear data structure that follows the first in, first out FIFO principle, meaning the first element added is the first to be removed. It is used in scenarios like scheduling tasks, managing requests in a print queue, or handling asynchronous data.
Key concepts here are FIFO principle, queue operations. Be clear about FIFO and enumerate common use cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing it with a stack. What are the primary operations of a queue?
The primary operations of a queue are enqueue, which adds an element to the rear, and dequeue, which removes an element from the front. These operations ensure elements are processed in the order they arrive, aiding in efficient task management.
Key concepts here are queue operations, enqueue, dequeue. Mention time complexities of operations. Common mistakes candidates make here are omitting to mention time complexities. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using queues?
Advantages of queues include organized processing of tasks, improved performance in resource sharing, and natural handling of asynchrony. Disadvantages may include fixed size in some implementations and potential delays in processing for long wait times. Cons are
Key concepts here are advantages of queues, disadvantages of queues. Discuss both aspects while being concise. Common mistakes candidates make here are not addressing both pros and cons. Can you provide a real-world application of a queue?
queues are used in printing tasks where documents are stored temporarily and printed in the order they are received. This helps in managing workflow efficiently and ensuring fairness, especially in environments with multiple users.
Key concepts here are real-world applications, printing tasks, use relatable examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are not being specific in the application. Can you implement a queue using Python's built-in list?
Sure, we'll create a queue class. For this implementation, we'll use a list. MQ will append to the end, and DQ will remove from the start. This gives us on for DQ but is simple for demonstration. Edge cases include handling empty queues.
Key concepts here are queue implementation, Python lists. Mention time complexity for both operations. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking edge cases in the implementation. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry. Intonation and this is a temp slide shot on now and denting authority B. This is a 10 point. Have to see an nenyaring once a second sound. The pommer yet also near are of I will, gods and better.
For more such interviews, subscribe now. For such content, do like, subscribe and share.